To help you find the best napkin holder, we did an in-depth dive with a range of today's styles and brands to bring you a comprehensive overview and help you discover which model is right for you. We focused on the top 9 napkin holders and tested them on our own tables with our own dining ware. To test each of the product's versatility, we bought 4 different size paper napkins and later placed each of them in front of a box fan to test how well they would hold up against the wind. Each napkin dispenser was judged by how easy it is to use, how well it holds your napkins down, and how versatile it can be. There are numerous options for cheap best napkin holder, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best napkin holder from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Best overall OXO Good Grips Neat. The OXO Good Grips Neat napkin dispenser is the most functional model we tested. It catered to all 4 napkin sizes we tested, keeping them securely in place. Some napkin dispensers demand a precise dimension from a napkin, but this one allows for versatility. Once you have picked out the napkins of your choice, you don't have to worry about window box fans stealing them away. This product has an innovative pinch mechanism to help keep your napkins in place without making it too hard to pull them out. Next to some of the other products we tested, the OXO Good Grips Neat napkin dispenser lacks decorative swirls and rustic style. Your aesthetic may be different, but overall we think this is a good match for those with stainless steel appliances in their kitchens. Its functionality far exceeded expectations. Our only real gripe with the OXO was that ours came with some glue stuck to it from the packaging that we couldn't remove. Number 2. An excellent value Barnyard Designs Rustic Wood. The Barnyard Designs Rustic Wood napkin dispenser is versatile, easy to use, and cute to boot. It's also a great value, as it's one of the least expensive models we tested. Not only can you use it with any size napkin that you please, but when we put it up against the fan, it held up well. We love that it is made out of wood and has a charming rustic appeal. We found that it was easy enough to grab a napkin and think it is well worth the price. Although the Barnyard Designs Rustic Wood napkin dispenser held up well against a box fan, without a clipping mechanism to keep the napkins in place, there is no certainty that they will stay put. This product also leaves something to be desired in the durability category. Its wooden frame makes for a charming aesthetic, but will undoubtedly break more easily than, say, a metal napkin holder. Number 3. Bang for your buck Home Basics Scroll Collection. If you are looking for something nice to accent your dining room table and works for all sizes of napkins, the Home Basics Scroll Collection napkin dispenser is our vote. This product manages to be simple, elegant, and incredibly functional. When held up to our wind generator, the napkins stayed nicely in place. This product offers versatility without being physically intrusive. Our critique of Home Basics Scroll Collection napkin dispenser is only that it lacks a clipping mechanism and that sometimes napkins might get caught on its beautiful swirls. Although this product did not seem to need a clipping mechanism to keep all the napkins secure during the fan test, it may not perform so well outside on an especially windy day. We also noticed that when we tried to load the napkin dispenser, sometimes the outermost napkin would get stuck in one of the decorative swirls. Number 4. Decorative Napkin Holder Saratoga Home Farmhouse. The Saratoga Home Farmhouse napkin dispenser is our favorite model for holding square napkins. It has a nice aesthetic without sacrificing function. The wooden handle that keeps the napkins in place works well, and the notch in the front makes it noticeably easier to grab napkins. The handle isn't too heavy, keeping the napkins in without preventing you from getting them. Unfortunately, the Saratoga Home Farmhouse napkin dispenser is a little less versatile than some of the other products we tested, as it only fits a standard square napkin or smaller. This product is also surprisingly expensive, but perhaps worth it as it does have a classic rustic feel. Despite being limited to square napkins, this napkin holder checks all the boxes and looks good doing it. Number 5. Rectangular Napkin Holder Craft Acrylic Guest Towel Holder. The Craft Acrylic Guest Towel Holder is great for rectangular napkins. Its heavier weight means that it won't get bumped around too easily as people reach for napkins, wine, or salt and pepper. It has a unique and modern aesthetic that allows you to keep an eye on when it might need a refill. We were also pleased to see how well it held the napkins in place during our box fan test. The thick plastic walls protected the napkins well. This napkin dispenser also has a notch in the front so that grabbing a napkin is quick and convenient. Unfortunately, the Craft Acrylic Guest Towel Napkin Dispenser does not have a weight or clip to keep the napkins in place. Without this function, the napkins might blow away with a strong wind. Although the solid plastic walls proved to be effective against our box fan wind generator, outside winds may do a little more damage. However, this is a great product for any indoor setting, such as your kitchen or dining room table, and can be used outside on less windy days. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.